In word study, we have been focusing on homographs, also known as homonyms. So you are going to click on this link that is going to take you to this little lovely game here. So it'll say challenge board. You scroll down. You can enter your name as player one. You don't have to have a player two to play the game, so you can just exit, put the X there. And it's like Jeopardy. So remember in class we played Jeopardy. You're going to choose a category and the amount of points that you want to go for. So I'm just going to click here. A vacation or to stumble and fall. So remember, a homograph is one word, two different meanings, and sometimes they're pronounced differently. So this word that we're trying to guess means a vacation, and that word also means to stumble and fall. So some of these are going to be a little tricky, especially the ones with the higher amount of points. So let's see here, a vacation or to stumble and fall. A word that has both of those definitions is the word trip. So you would click submit, you got it correct, and then continue. So you'll have a check mark on the one you got correct. If you got it wrong, it'll give you an X. And then here, it is going to calculate your total of your score total. If you have any questions about this, please let me know.